Ever since the advent of PCs or personal computers, Dell have been a major player in the computer market. There's a wide variety of services offered by Dell in the laptop or PC category, comprising mainly Inspiron, Precision, XPS, Latitude, and Alienware. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Dell Inspiron 5300, its features, and also we're going to find out if it can handle the heat of today's cutthroat competition. If you are enjoying the video so far, a sub to the channel would be amazing. You're watching Crazy Tech. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it, shall we? Alright, let's start with the unboxing over here. Here, it's a 65 watt charger. Unfortunately not type C, it's a barrel type connector. You also get in the box another cable for charging. Let's put this aside. You also got some instruction manual and a safety and regulatory information. Now, coming to the main attraction, let's just take out the laptop itself. And remove it from the plastic wrapping. It is metallic and it's cold to the touch, which is good. It's also very light, and looks wise it looks like an Apple laptop or a MacBook to be precise. And I really like the matte finish on the laptop, which gives it a premium look. Now let me give you a physical overview. On the right hand side we have a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, and a USB A port. On the left hand side of the laptop we get to see the USB type C port, a barrel type charger port, a HDMI port, and a USB A port. Now let's talk about specifications. This laptop comes with a i5 processor, 10th generation, 8GB of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, a 13.3-inch LCD screen, and a fingerprint scanner. This laptop cannot be opened with only one finger, as you can see, but the bigger version of this, the 15-inch laptop, can be lifted up with one finger. So yeah, that's a bummer. This laptop is equipped with the Iris 2GB graphic card, which should help you with a bit of gaming. I have observed in my usage that the bottom part of the laptop gets a bit warm when doing light work as well. Hopefully the hinge should make things better, as it lifts the bottom part of the laptop above the surface on which it is kept. That should help with proper heat dissipation, I guess. As mentioned earlier, you have fingerprint scanner on the top right side of the keyboard. So yeah, that should be very quick. And I have observed that it's very quick, as you can see in the following demo. Just put the finger on it and boom, it turns on. The different ways in which we can unlock the laptop are mentioned here on the screen. We have also got the regular PIN and password protection alongside the fingerprint scanner. The keyboard can be backlit in two different intensities. One is a bit dim and the other one is a bit brighter. You can also turn it off completely. Now I'm going to be typing in the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog on this keyboard, and you can also listen to the sound of the keyboard. The key travel is good and the keyboard layout is spacious as well, so it's a thumbs up from me. Alright, let's test the audio quality on this one. The audio quality is good and it has some sort of surround effect which cannot be heard like wearing earphones right now on your end, but listening to it in real life is a really good experience. And these are the speakers, as you can see, and the screen is a matte screen, so this makes a perfect multimedia beast. So that's a thumbs up from me in the multimedia viewing experience as well. The webcam has become a very important part of our life during this pandemic lockdown situation. It is a HD webcam. Unfortunately, it's not a full HD or 1080p webcam, but it shoots decent photos. But they are quite soft, as you expect from a laptop. They're not too detailed or crisp. I don't like the quality of the camera. It's not up there with the smartphones, of course. The Dell Mobile Connect app helps you to connect your phone with your laptop so that you can text and start where you left off on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash like, subscribe to my channel if you're new around here, and tap that notification bell. And take care, guys. Peace.